Hello, Violas. Today we're going to be talking about perpetual motion, the next piece of music we're learning for class. Perpetual is our first vocabulary word. Many of you probably already know what it means, but I'm going to go to Google for a second here. Perpetual means never ending or changing. And of course they make it kind of sound scary here. Deep caves and perpetual darkness. So it's not scary though. The piece, it kind of looks scary at first. I know many of you probably looked at it and went, "Oh my gosh!" But it's really not that bad. If you go slow, that makes it easy. So the tempo marking you have right here is allegro. Okay, allegro, as you know, means fast, but we don't want to play it fast right at the very beginning. You want to start slow and then gradually get faster. So if I was going to practice this, I would probably start with my metronome on 60 and maybe even start pizzicato. In fact, I would start pizzicato until we can get the notes under my fingers. For this piece, in the past, the bow has been very important. The bow is still important, but it's not as important on this one as it is on the other ones. And one of those reasons is it's missing something that all of our other pieces have had. And if you look, I'm going to give you a second to look, see what it is missing, or almost all of other pieces have had that we've played in the solo bowl. And the thing it is missing, it's missing changes. It actually has one at the very beginning, but they don't change in this piece. And if you figure out what it is, I'm going to zoom in on it. Here we go. That thing right there. All it has is a mezzo forte dynamic. It doesn't have any dynamic changes other than mezzo forte. So that means that we don't have to worry about that when we're playing. We just have to worry about what our left hand is doing. So all the other songs you've worked on have been kind of slow and getting you used to reading notes. This one's a little bit faster. It gets you used to moving your fingers fast. But again, it's not as scary as it looks. It starts off with a D major scale there, and the notes don't change very much. D, E, F, F, E, F, G, G. I'm going to explain that more as we go. Please notice the fourth fingers. So you got four fingers here on the D string, which we haven't done very much, and I'll explain that to you in the next video as well. Should be a copy of this on the Schoology, a link somewhere, and you can get it from there. All right, go ahead and go on to the next video, and I'll explain a little bit more.